Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you how I achieved this glossy, rosy cheeked, pink dewy finish makeup. Our focus would be on creating this kind of a base. And for starting, first of all, let me mention that all the products that I've used to achieve this look, I'm going to be mentioning all the links to these products in my description box below. So if you want to check those products out, you can just check my description box. For starting out, I have applied the moisturizer, which a lot of influencers were talking about. So I wanted to try this out once. Also, this moisturizer has worked really well for me since some time now. I've been using it and it seems to be suiting my skin. I've been using the Real Techniques makeup brushes for many years now, and I honestly can't recommend them enough. They are such a good choice if you are looking to invest in reliable makeup brushes. Then I'm going in with the RENEE Luminous Sunscreen, and I love how it leaves that Lumi glow onto my face. That's why I'm using it for this finish, because we want to achieve that dewy look and it gets absorbed into the skin without leaving any white cast. Dabbing it into my skin properly and letting it get absorbed into the skin before I go for my next step. I'm going in with the K Beauty concealer and applying it around my eyes, around my lips, nose, and to the areas which I want to cover. After concealer, I moved on to the foundation. Now this one is actually oil based, and even though I have combination skin, it still works beautifully for me because it's very light and gives medium coverage. It's from Shamour. I always reach for this foundation whenever I want that soft dewy finish instead of a matte look. I started by applying it with a brush, gently dabbing it into my skin so it spreads evenly without looking streaky. And then to make the base completely seamless, I went over it with a damp sponge. This really helps press the product in and gives that natural skin-like finish we are aiming for. Now for the blush, I'm taking a risk here, doing a little experiment. I got this one from Zudio and just warming it up with my finger and then applying it directly on my skin. It looks really heavily pigmented, but once it will blend, it will leave the rosy effect on the cheeks which we are trying to achieve today. And I'm also going in with the same blush over my eyes for that pinkish glow, because we are not going to do heavy eye makeup in this tutorial. I will only do the bold eyeliner, including a bit of a color on my eyes, and then I'm going in with highlighting my face using this highlighter powder. This is my favorite step of the makeup because I love how when the light falls on the face, all your high points just shine so bright and it gives that fresh and young look to your face. Then I'm going in with the mascara for those long lashes and wide open eyes. For lips, I would not be going in with the lipstick. You can always choose the lipstick of your own choice. I would recommend lighter shades with this look, but today I am going in with the K Beauty lip gloss. Yeah, that's it. So the focus of today was to achieve that dewy, glossy, glowy face base, which I think I have done pretty much good job here. And this is a perfect one to go out with, to go on a date with your friends, or to a light party where you don't need to be overly dramatic. And I loved how it has turned out. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial as much as I loved creating it. Don't forget to check out the links in the description box below. And if you really enjoyed this one, share it with someone who you think would love this. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment on my channel to keep it growing. If you recreate this look, tag me on your social media platforms. I would love to see how you guys do it. It gives me the extra boost to keep going. We have just initiated, but it's a long journey. I would need all of you to come along with me in this journey. Thank you for watching. Lots of love to you and have a good day. Lead a good life. Bye bye.